Today we will be looking into the activity diagram of LMS, which stands for Leave Management System. It's between two kind of employees. One is contract employee and permanent employee. The conditions are 6 months contract employee can take 1 sick leave per month. If he wants more, it will be loss of pay. So leave cannot be carried. Employee should request leave. If leave is rejected or accepted, email is sent to respective employee and HR. Available leave is displayed at all times. For permanent employee, there are 6 sick leaves, 6 casual leaves, and 10 paid leaves. If permanent sick leave is approved, he may not get a confirmation from the manager or HR. Casual and paid leaves should be requested to the manager. If approved by manager, then the confirmation is shared with HR and employee. If rejected, email will be sent to only employee. If casual leaves are exhausted, only then paid leaves are enabled. If a permanent employee is left with 5 or less than 5 paid leaves, they can be carried over to the next calendar year. Our balance will be displayed at the end. So to solve this kind of activity program diagram, here is the steps. First, to get started, the kind of employee should be identified, and if the employee should request for a leave. Then system should check sick leaves balance. Maximum for the contract employee should be 1 per month, and then based on that, decision will be taken. Is leave within allowed limit? If it's yes, then it will be approved. Then the mail should be sent to the employee and HR. Then it will display the available leaves. That will be the end. Then if there is no available leaves, then it will be marked as loss of pay. Then email will be sent to the employee and HR and display available leave. That would be the end. If it's for the permanent employee, the employee will request the leave, then select the kind of leave. Since it's permanent employee, the conditions where he will have sick leave, casual leave, or paid leave. So this is how the decision is made. If he's selecting sick leave, it will be auto reply. It will auto approve. Sending the email to the employer or the HR is optional, and then it will finally display the available leaves. That would be the end. If it's casual, the same way, and if it's paid, it's the same way. At the end, it will send the if they're carrying over their leaves to the next year, it will display the available leaves, and then there are no leaves to be carried over, then it will send the mail only to the employee, and that would be the end. That's how it is done. Then coming to the difference between wireframe, mockup screen, and prototype. Wireframe is nothing but like for example, if you want to build a house or if you want to build an app, first you will write the layout of it, where what kind of thing you want. Like for example, if it's a house, you will write a frame. You will draw in a paper where you want the kitchen, how much distance you want between the kitchen and the dining hall, and the same way you will write the exact layout of your design. That is called wireframe. Here it will neither have any working functionality or any color or nothing. It's just a framework. Whereas coming to the mockup screen, here there will be a little bit advanced, like you will have colors. For example, we'll take an example of an app. If you're developing an app, you will have all the things where exactly you need. For example, where do you want the start button, where do you want the next button, where do you want forgot password or username. You will have everything in place, and it will be colored. Like you will have the logo, pictures, and everything. It's just that it will look real, but it will not be functional. So coming to the next, prototype. In prototype, the app will be functional, it will be colorful, but they will use the app, the testers will use the app with the users to interact with the user to identify if there are any bugs or anything. That is prototype. It is used to check if there are any bugs by testing it. All right, that would be all. I hope you guys enjoyed and understood. I hope you will have good rest of your day. Bye.